and learn with Jolene. Hi there, welcome back to Play and Learn with Jolene. Today we've got Minnie Mouse, toaster and blender. Look, these look amazing. Now let's look at the blender. And let's pop the toast. Ooh! Let's do it again. Ooh! Toast. And 1, 2, 3. Ooh. The toast pops out of the toaster when it's ready. Ooh, look at the toast. Can you see Minnie Mouse's face on it? Ooh, I like that popping. Now look at the blender. Now let's make some juices. Ooh, what fruit is this? It is a tomato. And what color is it? It is the color red. Let's put it in the blender. Let's make a fruit juice. First we need to take off the lid. Then we have to put in the tomato. Ooh, put back the lid on, and then we can blend it. So we have to push that. And we can adjust the speed. Like that. Let's do it again. It's going so fast! Let's it up a bit. Ooh! And it is ready! Let's go take off the lid. And let's put it inside of this cup. Let's pour it in now. Ooh! It's turned red also, like tomato. Let's pour it in. 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Wee! 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 And it's finished. Ooh! You wanna try, guys? Is it yummy? Let's make some more juice. Now we are gonna make a carrot juice. And what color is the carrot? It's the color orange. Let's put it inside. Don't forget the lid. Let's blend it. Whee! It's almost ready. Whee! It's almost ready. The juice is ready now. Ooh, and the juice has become the color orange, the same as the carrot. Now let's put it inside this cup. Take off the lid. Let's pour it in. Wee! 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 It's so much fun. Oopsies, there's one more. Ooh! This juice looks delicious. Ooh, you wanna drink it, guys? It's the color orange. Let's make a whole heap of juices now. Now we're gonna make lemonade. Yummy. First we need to put in the lemon, which is the color yellow. Let's put it in, put the lid back on, and we are going to, we're going to blender it up. It's so fast. It's ready. Let's blender it up a little bit more. I think it's ready now. Let's pour it into this cup. Let's take this off first. It's hard. Now let's pour it in. There goes the juice. Look at our lemonade. Do you guys want to drink it first? Okay, you can drink it first. Do you like it? It's very yummy. And it's the color yellow. Let's make one more juice. Now we are going to make a pear juice. What color is the pear? It is green. Let's take off the lid and put in the pear inside the blender. Pop! And put back the lid on. Let's go blender it. Let's go and blender it a bit more. And now it's ready. Let's pour it into a cup here. Let's pour it in. This juice looks very yummy. Come on, guys. You want to drink it? I hope you like it. And the juice is the color green. Play and learn with Jolie. Let's get all of the juices ready to invite Minnie Mouse. We've got the green one, the yellow one, the red one, and last but not least, the orange one. Let's set up some cakes. We've got a pink one and a purple one. How about some biscuits? We've got a pink one, shaped like a heart. And we've got some cups to share with Minnie Mouse. And here's some milk. And let's get the big teapot.
Do you take cream and sugar?
This looks pretty cool.
Don't you just love tea parties?
And how about okay, we'll pour some water in there.
Cream and sugar?
I wonder when Minnie Mouse is coming. Okay, let's get ready with the tea first. She's about to come. Oh, hi there. You set it a tea party for us. Yummy toast. It's very yummy. I love all of this. Some tea. You use my own tea set? Clever idea. Thanks. This tastes very, very good. This tastes... Let's give Minnie Mouse our juices. This is very yummy. yummy here. What juice is it? It is the pear juice. Next one is this yellow juice over here. Let me try it. This is very nice. I love this one. This was the lemonade. How about this red one over here? Very nice. That was the tomato juice. Ooh. How about this one? This is so yummy. This was the carrot juice. Ooh, I love carrot juice. Minnie Mouse, which one of these juices are your favorite? Which one of these is your favorite one, Minnie Mouse? I like the yellow one over here. I love this one. This is very yummy lemonade. Bye there. I hope you had so much fun playing and learning with us and with Minnie Mouse, of course. I hope you know how to make smoothies or juices, and you know what fruits they come from and their colors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below. And don't forget to press the notification button, which is a tiny, tiny bell. Bye! And bye-bye from Minnie Mouse.